Welcome back, GSVA, for the final video tutorial for our Notan project. In this video, we will be adding some text to our piece, finish it up for printing. Okay, so let's get into it. The first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to go and make sure that your text tool is selected, or a shortcut of T. Click that. And then you'll want to make sure you're on the right font. So the font that we use for this project is called Book Antigua. And there it is there. So I'll click that. Make sure it's set to regular and not italic or bold italic, but regular. And then we'll want to set the size to 36 points. Okay. We'll want to make sure that we're justified left. And lastly, we'll want to change the color of the font to a native black to match the black of our Notan font. And press OK. Okay. So next you'll go down to your lower left-hand quadrant and you'll pull out, by clicking and dragging, a text marquee box. I'll let go. Some Latin will come up. That's a place filler. It should be highlighted, so you don't need to do anything except start typing. So in my case, my religion is what I'm going to put first. I'm going to put, engaged, Buddhism. And then below that, I'm going to make some reference to the parable, the story that I've researched. So in my case, it's mindfulness. So congratulations on finishing your Notan project. I invite you to do this as many times as you can following the 5 tutorials, because each time you practice, you get better. Thanks for watching. See you next time.